Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing. Looking at the key weather summaries for this period, we have a winter storm warning and advisories out across the region through Tuesday morning for the central and northern mountains. We do expect to add some additional warnings and advisories for the southern and eastern mountains for Tuesday afternoon and night. We are looking at some strong gusty winds across the region, which may produce areas of blowing snow and hazardous driving conditions, primarily for the central mountains and then again for the eastern mountains today and Tuesday night. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we have a low-pressure system setting up here off the northwest coast with a ongoing moisture stream coming in across northern California right into the central Idaho mountains. We do have some moisture down here in the Snake River Plain. If I could show you the regional radar loop, we'd see some light showers ongoing here in the Snake River Plain. We do see some additional energy beginning to spin up here across northern California. That'll help to bring some additional moisture into the region for tonight. Looking at our weather risk outlook slide, main thing you want to focus on here are the orange colors, which is where we have winter storm warnings out and potential for moderate impacts due to snow and blowing snow for today and mainly tonight through midday on Tuesday. Most of these conditions are for the central mountains for today, and then we'll be shifting into the eastern and southern highlands Tuesday afternoon and night. You can see we have some ongoing weather here through the latter half of the week with some additional storm systems on the way. Our current watches and warnings that we have out, if you look at the pink colors here, this is where we have our warnings out. So Sawtooth region, Island Park region, all have warnings out. And then the purple colors here are areas where we have winter weather advisories for lower snow accumulation amounts, again through Tuesday afternoon. And as we've mentioned, we are expecting to add these southern and eastern zones into the mix here for Tuesday, late Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, and that'll probably happen here on the afternoon shift. Looking at the storm track for today, ignore this box here. It's all messed up on all these types of slides. I'm not quite sure how that happened, but this is storm track for noon today, basically showing you that low-pressure system off the northwest coast and that strong, moist flow coming into Idaho from the southwest. We do expect, like I said, some fairly decent accumulations across the central and northern mountains through this time frame today and tonight. With warning level accumulations in the mountains. And then as you get along the foothills here to the central mountains, most of these regions may see advisory level snowfalls in the overnight hours and going into Tuesday morning. As we work our way out to Tuesday afternoon, that storm system basically digging down the coast and in through the southern Sierra. The moisture track now will come up through Nevada and into the southeast highlands. And in addition to that, the northern branch of the storm system will begin moving inland along with the surface cold front. So we'll have this moisture riding up into the surface cold front. They'll be interacting and producing some fairly decent snow here Tuesday afternoon across the southern and eastern highlands, maybe on up into the upper Snake Highlands as well. We may see an inch or two of accumulation down here in the Snake Plain. The issue here is snow levels. It looks like it may be a little too warm during the day, which will bring us rain for the lower elevations. And then as the cold front goes through, temperatures will drop pretty rapidly, but we'll begin to lose the precipitation Tuesday evening. So get a brief window of seeing a chance of collecting some snow down here in the Snake River Plain, but not expecting heavy accumulations at this point. Here we are looking at the 24-hour snowfall amounts for Tuesday. This is incorporating some of the Tuesday morning stuff. So primarily what I wanted to show you was that we are going to be accumulating some snow here across the eastern and southeast highlands. I expect to see advisories being issued on the day shift today for these regions. might see a winter storm warning for the northern Wasatch here. We'll have to see how that plays out. And certainly probably see some continuing warnings up here in the upper Snake Highlands through that Tuesday night time frame. Our next storm system takes shape off the northwest coast on Wednesday. Once again, ignore this box here. The time's wrong on it, but this is the storm track for Wednesday afternoon at 5 p.m. So we see the next low-pressure system taking shape off the coast. Most of the precipitation will spread into Idaho on Wednesday and Thursday, bringing us our next round of snow. And then the third storm system looks like it'll hit the northwest coast on Saturday, spreading into the region Saturday night and Sunday, bringing us yet another round of snow. So after a fairly quiet period in November and into early December, it looks like the storm situation is going to be picking up across southeast Idaho. Okay, in summary, we have winter storm warnings and advisories out across the region, particularly the central and northern mountains through Tuesday morning. We expect to see some additional warnings and advisories likely to follow for the southern and eastern mountains for Tuesday afternoon and night. In addition to the snow, we are expecting some strong gusty winds across the region, which may produce some blowing snow and hazardous driving conditions in the central mountains today and tonight, and then the eastern mountains on Tuesday and Tuesday night. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, you can give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.